Namaste and welcome to our Ayurveda cooking classes. Today we will be making a simple, healthy and vibrant Thai green salad. It is fresh, crunchy and packed with Ayurvedic benefits that will nourish your body and mind. So without any delay, let's get started. Here is what we will need for today's salad. First ingredients, we will have 3 medium-sized bell peppers, green, yellow and red bell peppers. 2 medium-sized cabbage, green cabbage and red cabbage. 1 small piece of carrot, 1 piece onion, cherry tomatoes, ginger, garlic, coriander leaves, mint leaves, small sized red chili, lemon, half bowl of roasted peanuts, soy sauce, white sesame seeds, rock salt, black pepper powder, jaggery. All of these ingredients are not just delicious but also offer great Ayurvedic benefits. Let's explore them as we prepare our salad. First, let's start by chopping the vegetables. Thinly slice our bell peppers. Start with red bell pepper. Here we are preparing salad for one person, so we have used half of red bell pepper. Next, slice the green capsicum or green bell pepper. Now, the yellow one. These are high in vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and promotes healthy skin. Next, slice the green cabbage and red cabbage. Cabbage is high in fiber, supporting good digestion. We want everything to be in thin strips so it blends well together. Now, thinly slice carrots. Carrots ground and help balance Vata dosha, and they are great for the eyes because they are rich in antioxidants. Now, for some heat, adding spice and flavor, slice the onions. We can also use onion leaves if you want a lighter flavor, which is great for cleansing the body. Thinly slice the red chili. Chili stimulates digestion by increasing Agni or digestive fire, which is important for breaking down food. But be careful, if your Pitta dosha is high, you might want to skip this or reduce the amount. Here we are using red chili for spicing up the flavor. We can also use Thai chili sauce in place of red chili. Now we will cut the cherry tomatoes in 2 halves. Now it's time to finely chop garlic cloves. Chop a small piece of ginger finely. Now let's make a simple and delicious dressing. Take a big bowl and mix 1 tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, 1 to 2 tablespoons of jaggery powder, 1 tablespoon of sliced red chili, and now we are adding 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, half tablespoon of black pepper powder, half tablespoon of salt. Here we are using rock salt. Now squeeze some drops of lemon. Here we are using 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Lemon is a natural cleanser and helps balance all 3 doshas, making it perfect for this salad. Now, with the help of the spoon, mix all together so that they can blend very well. This dressing gives the salad a sweet and tangy flavor, perfect for refreshing the palate. Instead of jaggery powder, we can also use honey Honey is detoxifying and balances kapha dosha in the body. Both honey and jaggery powder gives the sweet taste to our Thai green salad. Now, add all the chopped vegetables into the bowl. Now add half bowl of finely grind roasted peanuts, then half bowl of white sesame seeds. Gently toss everything together until it is well mixed. Now we will take a plate and transfer our veggies mix onto it. For the final touch, we will garnish our salad with cherry tomatoes. Cherry tomato give a tangy flavor to our Thai green salad. Mint leaves. Mint leaf provides cooling effect to this Thai green salad. Coriander leaves. Coriander is also cooling and helps balance pitta dosha, making it a great finishing herbs for this salad. And there you have it, a vibrant, fresh and Ayurvedic Thai green salad that is perfect to balance your body's energy. It is light, cooling and packed with nutrients. Whether you are looking to balance your doshas or enjoy a simple healthy meal, this is a great choice. Thank you for joining our Ayurveda cooking class today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make this delicious Thai green salad. Stay tuned for more Ayurvedic recipes to nourish your body and mind. See you next time and stay healthy.